In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block screenshots in a Telegram group. If you don't want members of your Telegram group to be able to take screenshots of anything in the group, follow these steps. First, open your Telegram application and select the group you want to manage. Let's try taking a screenshot to show that the messages and group content are currently visible in screenshots. To block screenshots, click on the group name at the top. Then, click Edit in the top right corner. Next, click on Group Type. Scroll down until you see Restrict Saving Content. Turn this option on. Once you've enabled Restrict Saving Content, click Done in the top right corner, then click Done again to save the changes. Now, when anyone tries to take a screenshot in the group, the content will not appear. As you can see, the screenshot is blank, and no messages or group content are visible. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like this.